Are you looking to harness the full power of your NVIDIA graphics card without wrestling with drivers or complex configurations? In today's video, we'll explore 5 Linux distributions that ship with first-class NVIDIA support right out of the box, and will help you decide which one fits your workflow and hardware best. Let's begin with Linux Mint. Built on the solid foundation of Ubuntu LTS, Linux Mint provides a familiar Windows-style desktop called Cinnamon that feels immediately intuitive to anyone migrating from Microsoft's ecosystem. Underneath its polished interface and handy graphical tools lies the same stable kernel and driver stack that Ubuntu users have trusted for years. When Mint detects an NVIDIA GPU, it automatically offers the proprietary driver during installation, so you'll rarely need to drop to the command line. If you're after a comfortable, it just works experience, complete with 3 official flavors, Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE, Mint deserves a spot on your shortlist. Next up is Ubuntu itself, the distribution that most people think of when they imagine Linux. Ubuntu's installer excels at hardware detection. It detects NVIDIA cards seamlessly and prompts you to enable the proprietary driver with a single click. Beyond graphics, Ubuntu's extensive software repositories, PPAs, and Snap ecosystem mean you get cutting-edge applications alongside rock-solid system security, thanks to AppArmor in every release. Choose an LTS edition for 5 years of support, or a regular release to stay closer to upstream innovations. Either way, you'll benefit from Canonical's commitment to delivering a polished desktop experience with reliable NVIDIA integration. If you crave bleeding-edge performance and flashy visuals, Garuda Linux could be right up your alley. As an Arch-based rolling release, Garuda bundles the latest Zen-optimized kernel, SRAM for memory compression, and BTRF snapshots via Snapper for instant rollbacks. Its flagship Dragonized editions showcase a high-octane KDE Plasma setup, complete with Garuda Rani, a graphical maintenance tool that automates driver updates, kernel changes, and system tweaks. NVIDIA users simply enable the driver in the Welcome Assistant and enjoy accelerated gaming, media encoding, or GPU-powered compute tasks right away. Just be prepared for more frequent updates and a bold, resource-hungry desktop. For a more tempered Arch experience, consider Manjaro. It bridges Arch's vast software library with a curated update cycle, testing new packages for extra stability before they reach your machine. Manjaro's MHWD, Manjaro Hardware Detection tool, detects your NVIDIA card during setup and installs the optimal driver, often including the very latest NVIDIA series. Official editions in KDE, GNOME, and XFCE make it easy to pick the environment you love. And Manjaro's POMIC manager handles AUR, Flatpak, and repository packages with equal ease. It strikes a balance between Arch's power and the predictability many users crave. Finally, let's look at CachyOS, a newcomer focused on squeezing every ounce of performance from modern hardware. Its custom CachyOS kernel supports advanced instruction sets like x86, 64, v3, v4, and AMD Zen 4. And proprietary NVIDIA drivers are baked into the live media, so you never have to hunt for packages later. Though it's a rolling release, and thus demands weekly updates, CachyOS includes a suite of graphical tools for system maintenance and an optional handheld optimized spin for devices like the Steam Deck. If you own post-2014 hardware and want a distro that's engineered from the ground up for speed, it's worth a spin. All of these distributions share one thing in common: effortless NVIDIA support that spares you the frustration of manual driver installs. Whether you're a newcomer seeking a gentle learning curve, an Arch enthusiast chasing the latest kernels, or a power user with a Steam Deck in your backpack, there's a Linux flavor here for you. Whichever you choose, you can look forward to smooth graphics performance, reliable updates, and the freedom to tweak your system to perfection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into Linux and open source software. Happy computing! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody, and don't forget I'll be posting videos daily without missing any day. So don't forget to like my content, share my content on all social media platforms so we can build a larger Linux community and conquer the world with love. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my everyday content. Bye, have a wonderful day.